How did Russia's Iskander-M missile destroy HIMARS launcher in Sumy? Hello everyone, welcome back to Top War Update. Today, we've got an explosive topic that's been making waves: the destruction of the Ukrainian HIMARS rocket launcher by Russia's cutting-edge Iskander-M missile system. How did this attack unfold? And what makes Iskander-M so deadly? Stick around as we break it all down. To understand the significance of this event, we first need to dive into the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict. This war, which began back in 2014, escalated dramatically in 2022, and it's been defined by a new generation of advanced weaponry. One of the key assets Ukraine has relied on in its defense is the HIMARS system, a mobile artillery rocket launcher developed by the United States. HIMARS allows Ukraine to launch precision-guided rockets, striking deep behind enemy lines with deadly accuracy. While HIMARS has proven to be a powerful weapon, it's not without its vulnerabilities. The system depends heavily on accurate reconnaissance to track enemy positions and deliver those deadly blows. This is where Russia's response comes into play. On the Russian side, the Iskander-M missile system is one of their most advanced operational weapons. Known for its speed, accuracy, and versatility, Iskander-M is designed to hit strategic targets like missile systems, command centers, and even mobile targets, all with pinpoint accuracy. What sets Iskander-M apart is its hypersonic speed and its ability to evade missile defense systems. This makes it an incredibly effective weapon in modern warfare, a missile that's difficult to intercept and hard to predict. Equipped with multiple warhead options, Iskander-M can carry conventional or nuclear payloads, making it a serious threat to any adversary. This missile system is a force multiplier, able to strike high-value targets quickly and efficiently. Now, let's talk about the UAV Forpost, or outpost. This Russian drone plays a crucial role in targeting for Iskander-M. By providing real-time surveillance and reconnaissance, Forpost gives Russian forces the information they need to strike high-value targets accurately. Equipped with high-definition cameras and sensors, Forpost provides critical intelligence on the enemy's position, speed, and movement. This allows Russian missile forces to track the HIMARS launcher as it prepares to fire and execute an immediate counterattack. With information from Forpost in hand, Russia launched a precise strike using the Iskander-M missile. Within moments, the HIMARS launcher, located in the Sumy region of Ukraine, was destroyed. This wasn't just a missile strike, it was a calculated response to an immediate threat. With the HIMARS launcher neutralized, Ukraine lost one of its most powerful tools for striking Russian positions. The destruction of the HIMARS launcher had significant operational and strategic consequences. HIMARS had been a key part of Ukraine's offensive capabilities, allowing them to deliver precision strikes at Russian infrastructure and military units. By taking out this mobile launcher, Russia not only reduced Ukraine's ability to retaliate against high-priority targets, but also sent a message about the effectiveness of their missile defense systems. This event underscores how modern warfare is increasingly about technology. It's no longer just about troop numbers or traditional weapons. UAVs, precision-guided missiles, and real-time data transmission have completely changed the game. Today's battlefield is defined by speed, information, and technology. The ability to strike an enemy before they even know what's happening, that's the new face of warfare. And Iskander-M is a prime example of how advanced missile technology is reshaping military strategy. The confirmation of this strike came directly from Russia's Ministry of Defense, who released a video showing the Iskander-M missile hitting the HIMARS launcher. International media outlets like The Telegraph and TASS also reported on the attack, citing Russian military sources. This is not just a claim. It's a well-documented and verified event that highlights the power and precision of Russia's modern missile systems. So, what does this event tell us? It shows how modern military technologies like the Iskander-M missile and Forpost UAV are changing the face of warfare. Precision strikes, real-time intelligence, and the ability to neutralize threats quickly are the new norm on the battlefield. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share this video with your friends. For more updates on military technology and global conflicts, turn on notifications. See you in the next video.